Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whilst I was working on a thumbnail for an upcoming video, I thought we'd look at the best way to change perspective on an area of an image. So I do have series lights here that I want to place into this section here of the oval area. So what I'll do is I'll select it, copy. I've added a new layer, a blank layer, so then we'll go into, I think it's, where are we? Vanishing point. So it will take us into this screen. What we need to draw is a mesh. So just going to roughly place these guides here. Okay, so I've got that there. Yeah, I position it, I think that's there. So then I think you paste and you bring that in. You can see the orientation is wrong. So what I want to do is transform this to fit within that space. It's got the perspective. Let's just bring that up. Just control, bring that down in there. I need to bring it in just slightly more. Yeah, to that point. Great, I'm happy with that. Let's see what happens. It's pretty good. I'll tidy up some of these edges, but there you go. I'll show you what I would have done, is I would have grabbed this and gone Command T for transform, distort, and I would have just dragged these these anchor points to try and get that into position. So you'll see the difference is very big. Alright, I know it's a bit sloppy, but yeah, I think that's the best way to do it. Thanks again, like and subscribe, and if you've got any better techniques, let me know in the comments. Until next time, bye.